everyone, welcome back to my channel. Whether you just want to clean your teeth, or someone told you about professional teeth cleaning, or someone has advised you to go for professional teeth cleaning, but you don't actually know how much it costs, then this video is for you. Because by the end of this video, I will tell you what you need to know about everything the cost concerning teeth cleaning. So let's get started. My name is Elizabeth Chibuzo. I'm a dental therapist. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Click notification bell so you'll be the first to get my new videos, because I talk about dental health tips. So before we get into the numbers or how much it costs, it is important to note that dental cleaning costs can vary, okay, depending on several factors. Let's break these factors down. These factors is the real influence behind the cost. So number one factor is the location. Location of dental clinic. This will make the dental prices, the cost of the teeth cleaning, to vary. So the cost varies from one location to another. For example, you're in Lagos and another person is in Ondo State. So the cost of teeth cleaning will not be the same thing. Those in Lagos, the cost will be higher for those in Lagos compared to those in Ondo State, right? And also the position of the dental clinic. Some dental clinics in the rural areas cost lower than those in the urban areas because of maybe the cost expenses and other payments. So it varies. So the next factor is the type of dental cleaning you need, right? There are typically two types of dental cleaning. We have the routine dental cleaning and deep cleaning. The routine cleaning is, let's say you are used to going to the dental clinic for teeth cleaning. That is routine dental clinic. Then deep cleaning is, for example, someone that has not been to the dental clinic, or maybe someone that just heard it for the first time and decided to do it. So what they're going to do for you is deep cleaning. Okay, so the deep cleaning is more intensive and may cost more, right? So this also determines the cost. Then another crucial factor is dental insurance, right? Some countries, they use dental insurance, but I don't know about Nigeria. HIS insurance, I think it covers teeth cleaning. So when insurance covers your teeth cleaning, that means possibly you might not need to pay much for the teeth cleaning. You just have to pay for the card or the folder in the clinic, and that is all. But if you're not under NHIS, that is under insurance, be sure that you have to pay for everything, right? So the next one is, sometimes additional procedure may be necessary during your cleaning. So additional procedure might come up. So even if you're using insurance, NHIS, NHIS insurance doesn't cover most of the dental treatments, right? For example, if you need teeth filling out after teeth cleaning, because during that process of teeth cleaning, your dentist will have to examine your teeth to know if there's any other problems that might cause you pain in future. So they will tell you to take care of it if you have the money. But if you don't have the money, you can schedule another appointment with them. Okay, then the next thing that's determine the cost of teeth cleaning is the experience and expertise of the dental therapist or dentist that will carry out this procedure, right? So normally dental therapists are responsible for teeth cleaning. Okay, so when you meet a dental therapist that is highly experienced, they tend to charge higher because they have been in the game. They know how to give you the best. They offer special care and treatment, so their cost will be better. Now let's dive into the approximate cost. Remember, these are what I'm going to give you now is just an estimated cost. Okay, it's not like it is the exact cost, right? So for example, let's say routine cleaning can cost from 10,000 to 15,000, right? The deep cleaning, you might spend, let's say, 20,000 naira to 25,000 naira, like I said before, depending on the clinic. So it is essential to consult your dentist to get a precise estimate tailored to your specific needs, all right? Or you can just go to the dental clinic, tell them that you come to verify or know how much they charge for their teeth cleaning. There's nothing there, So that is it. Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something new, join the family, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.